Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Let's see. This'll cool it off. That'll help. We'll lower the temperature a little bit.
Take two seconds. Turn it